Welcome back, students. So what we have learned? We have learned that whatever objects are given, if the object is bigger, the area is also bigger for that particular objects. So what we do now? Make an outline of the figure and look at the squares enclosed by the figure. Some of them are completed and include some half, some less than half and some more than half. The area is the number of centimeter squares that are needed to cover it. But there is a small problem, the squares do not always fit exactly into the area you measure. So we get over this difficulty by adapting a convenient. So how? So you know that about the graph paper. So in graph paper, suppose this is your graph paper, this one square box means it is the measure of one unit. This is, if you consider 2 square box, it is 2 units, 3 unit, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 units. So any kind of figure if you draw on such kind of graph paper, and then how will you measure it? Let's see, the area of one full square is taken as 1 square unit, means area of this one cube, one square is 1 square unit, maybe it's 1 centimeter square, 1 meter square. If it is a centimeter then square sheet, then area of one full square will be 1 square centimeter, and if it is meter then it is 1 square meter. Now ignore portions of the area that are less than half of a square. If you draw the diagram and if you observe it, okay, if it covers the area less than full square, then you have to, less than half a square, then you have to ignore it. And it covers the area more than half square, then you have to consider that as a 1. And if it is exactly half the square is counted, take its area as half square unit. Suppose you consider this diagram. So first of all you have to calculate full square. So 1, 2, 3. These 3 squares are full. So 3 square unit plus this is half, this is half. So it becomes 1. And this is exactly half, so plus half. So what is the area of this? 3 plus 1, 4 and half square units. So this way we can calculate. Let's see, you will get the answer 4 and half square units. Let's see some more examples. I have drawn some diagrams on a graph paper. So how we can observe it? So in a graph paper, if you consider this one square box, this consider as a 1 square unit. So how many square boxes are there? That we have to calculate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Numbering it 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. 17, 18, 19 and 20. So how many small boxes are there? Small squares are there? 20. So what is the area of this particular rectangle? 20 square unit. This way we can do the calculations. If you have a diagram, divide the whole diagram into small cube, or you can put it on a graph bar, draw the outline. So I have drawn the outline of the given rectangle and then find this area. Same way here, the same another diagram is given to you. Now you have to calculate the whole full square first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, 17 full square are there. This is half. This is half. 1, half 2, half 3. So it is 17 plus 3. So what is the answer? 20 square units. Now suppose you have such kind of diagram, uneven diagram, or you can say irregular shape of any objects. Then how will you measure the area of this particular shapes? So what you have to do? You have to remember the rules. First of all, you have to count the full square. So we will start counting. 1, 2, this is negligible little bit. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25 and 26. These are the full squares. Now what is the next step? Consider the square as one full square who covers the area more than half. 26. Now you consider this one. This is your 27, then 28, this is 29, 30, 31 and 32. Okay, this is little bit more, so 33, 34. Okay, this is also 35. You have to calculate such square who can cover the area more than half. Now exactly half you have to consider. This is less than half, so you have to ignore less than half, ignore. This is also less than half, ignore. So this you have to ignore it. So now what is the area? This is 34 square units. So this way you can also calculate the area of irregular shapes. Let's see, the example is given over here. So the same diagram I have taken. When you calculate it, a fully filled squares, that is 11, half filled square, that is 3, so 3 into 1 half, more than half filled 7, less than half filled 5. Then we have to do the addition of this box. So what is your answer? 19 1.5 square units. So this way we can also calculate the area of irregular shapes by calculating the number of squares which are covered by this irregular shape. So this way we can find the area. Thank you. So in this diagram we have counted total 35, but if you observe 34th square, this is half and this is 35 is also half. So this 34, 35 both combined together and make only one blocks. That's why the area is 34 square unit in place of 35. Why? Because 34 and 35 both are half squares. So we have to consider only half plus 1. So it is total 34 square unit, the area of this particular given object. Thank you.